Hey, what's up guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash. We're going to talk about how to change your cartridge in any of your Whisper Wash equipment. Okay, that has the green cartridge. Pretty much all the same cartridge on all the equipment. Okay, so to undo the actual cartridge, you can use a crescent wrench and I'll go ahead and just tap that loose. These are only snug because they are all O-ring seated, so you don't take and torque the shit out of these. You just snug them and that's it. Okay, you take it, unscrew the cap. Okay, check for the washers or any dirt in there. Alright, you're gonna have to take you a tool and just pull out this old cartridge like that. Okay, and as you can see here, it busted off because of one of my new hires actually ran something over and broke this. So that's just the way it goes. No big deal. Okay, so taking a look at this new cartridge compared to the old cartridge, and you can see that it just snapped off at the threads, and that's what happens when you actually hit something. Like I said, it comes with the extra quad seal, and the quad seal sits on the inside here. You can see the one that's right around the shaft, that's the quad seal. Okay, and sometimes those have to be replaced. This comes pre-lubricated, so you don't need anything else but what's on the actual cartridge. All the O-rings are in place, so it's easy to install. Okay, don't get any dirt on that. It's very, very, very important you don't get any sand on there, not even one speck. Okay, so if you need to know how to do this, there's the steps here. Well, there's the actual part list here, and on the actual canister it tells you how to remove your spray bar, unscrew the rotary cap, push out the old cartridge, put the new cartridge in, snug it up. It's really easy. Let's take a look down in the actual seat in there. It looks clean. It's good to go. We're going to take our new cartridge. Just going to drop that bad boy in there. Real easy, like so. Okay, now that's where you want to be, right there. Okay, and then you snug up the cap. But if you look here real quick, you can see the O-ring on the side of the cartridge. Okay, like it's supposed to be. There's two O-rings actually at the top of the cartridge. Alright, there's a quad seal and outer O-ring. There's no O-rings on the actual bottom. Okay, so don't worry about that. Go ahead and make sure that there's nothing actually left in the cap. No O-rings, no dirt. Okay, at this point you're pretty much snugged up, and pay attention to the actual gap on this assembly. At this point, all you're going to do is take a crescent wrench and turn that, snug it up with your hand, and just tap that a couple times, and don't torque it. Okay, it's just an O-ring seal. It's meant to be pretty much hand tight. Okay, hope that helped you guys out. It's a very simple process. You can do it literally in 3 minutes flat if you know what you're doing. So anyway,